Hello and welcome to this presentation on the spouse visa by Westkin Associates, your trusted immigration law specialists. This video is for anyone that wishes to apply for a visa based on a relationship with a British or settled person. So let's begin. So let's start with an overview of the variations of this visa category. First option is for couples that are already married or in a civil partnership. The second option is for unmarried partners that have been in a relationship for approximately 2 years or more. And the third option is for couples that want to get married in the UK and be able to settle without having to leave the UK afterwards. The requirements can be broken down to 5 sectors on screen now. So let's jump into each one. In regards to the relationship requirement, the key factor that should be established depends on the category you're applying under. For spouses, evidence of a legal marriage in any country. For unmarried partners, documents showing a serious ongoing relationship for circa 2 years. For fiancés, a stated genuine intention to marry within 6 months of arriving in the UK. Our lawyers will advise and help you gather the correct level documents to meet the above criteria. So let's move on to the financial criteria. The requirements now is for a minimum income of £29,000 before tax, regardless of the number of children involved. The way this can be proven will depend on if the sponsor is inside the UK or outside the UK. The accepted source of income are salary, self-employment, pensions, and non-employment income. The income criteria tends to be the most confusing for clients and is what the Home Office tend to scrutinize the most. So our lawyers will assess and plan exactly what documents you require to prove the correct level of income, whether you meet it now or at a later date. Savings can also be used as part or all of your income. The amount of savings you need will depend on how much income you have at the point of application. The example below demonstrates how the calculation is made. This is the shortfall of 29,000 multiplied by 2.5 and added 16,000. That will give you the total amount of savings you need to have for 6 months to meet the financial criteria. There is an exemption from the £29,000 income for sponsors that are in receipt of any of the listed benefits, known as adequate maintenance. If this is the case, please contact us and we'll help you understand what your adequate maintenance level will be, as it will depend on your personal circumstances. Moving on to the accommodation requirement. A place to reside must be secured at the point of application, even if it's on a short-term basis. And the property must be big enough as to not breach overcrowding legislation. Our lawyers can help you book a property inspection report if required. In regards to the English requirement, unless you're a national of a majority speaking English country or over the age of 65, then the applicant must prove they meet the minimum level of English. This can be done in a number of ways shown on screen. Our lawyers will help you assess how you can meet the English criteria. For applicants applying from a country deemed to have a high risk of tuberculosis, they must produce a negative TB test. The full list of countries can be seen from the hyperlink on the slide. Please note not all test centers are accepted, and our lawyers will help you book a test if required. So let's look at a high-level overview of the process. Once the application is submitted online, we'll arrange a physical biometric appointment for you. This will be in your country of residence or in the UK if you have the correct leave to remain. Decisions tend to take 2 to 4 months, however prior to service can be secured for you if you're applying inside or outside the UK. Our lawyers will fully support you through the process prior and after submission. Let's have a quick look at the cost. These are correct at the time of recording but may have changed by the time you watch this video. All government fees are paid in full at the time the application is submitted online. In regards to our legal fees, we work off a fixed fee model, so there's no surprises and you know exactly how much it will cost you after you speak to us. The fee depends on the complexity of your case, but we're so confident that you'll be visa. So how can our lawyers help you with a successful application to make the process as stress-free and smooth as possible? Our service is wide-ranging, but some highlights are full application preparation, submission, and decision management. This includes working to your deadline. They will provide you with a bespoke checklist of documents and written templates. Fill in your forms and submit them, book your biometric submission, upload your documents to the Home Office portal, provide a detailed legal letter of representation supporting your case, deal with any Home Office questions or concerns or interviews, and will be there with you from start till finish. At Westkin, our ethos is to give value to our clients, assurance, and expertise. We have submitted thousands of successful applications over the last 2 decades from hundreds of different countries. So why wait any longer? Contact us today to have a free assessment call with our family visa team. They will let you know if you qualify and give you a no-win, no-fee quote. We can then book you in for a free online meeting with our lawyer handling your case. You can ask any questions that you have, and we can help you understand the process in more detail. Within 24 hours of the meeting, the lawyer will send you a client care letter with the advice. Once you're ready to start, make the initial payment and we can start working immediately. So don't wait any longer. Contact Westkin Associates today and take the first step to your life in the UK with your partner.